Hi again everybody! So this is the part 2 of our unboxing from TCM, the Crafters Marketplace Black Friday sale. So what do I got in here? So I have the Vicky Butin brushes. These are being used together with her Vicky Butin art crayons. Water soluble. So these water solubles are actually oil pastel art crayon. So you can, you can just paint it out just like this, and then you can use it with your stencils and spray on some water so that it will smoothen nicely on your paper. Most of the people that I saw use this particular crayons or oil pastel crayons use them on their Bible journaling. So maybe I can show you some other time on how we can use it as well. Okay, so another one that I got is this Gina K Tidy Towel Stump Cleaner. So I've got a stamp cleaner from the Mrs. B shop. Let me see where it is before. So Mrs. B shop is a local shop, and her stamp cleaner is very, very good. And she has a free towel that comes with it, which was made by Stitches and Needles, Paula Kalantuan. But now I also wanted to try this. So what they said is, if you get this, don't keep it damp always because it will, mold badly. So instead, just keep it to dry by air. So before you use it, it's like it's a carton. It's a paper, it's a carton. So for you to be able to use it, you have to spray on water on this so that you can use it to dry or to clean your stamps. Okay, so putting this aside, this one is a puncher from Stampin' Up. So as I told you, I usually make stamps, tags, and as tags for gifting or even for just putting like a bookmark to my bookmarks for my reading. So here, let's try this out and see how it actually looks like. So it's not the correct fit, but let's see how this works. Ta-da! It's pretty, right? It's really, really pretty. So if you want one, just message Shine and she might be able to get you if this is still available in Stampin' Up. Okay? And any Stampin' Up products, you can actually message Shine or TCM as well. So this is Decorative Brads. This is Marigold stickers from Crate Paper by Maggie Holmes. This is really good. I use it to decorate my scrapbook album as well and journal. I love these glitters. I also use this to decorate my scrapbook albums, and these are really nice. Look, they have different sizes. So I have 3 packs of different sizes of this gold stickers, pearl stickers in gold. And then I have this chipboard frames in autumn design. Don't you just love autumn? I love autumn. That's my favorite season. Okay, so the next one would be, there's a lot of items in here that I wanted to show all of you. So here I have this alphabet stickers. So I'm a fan of alphabet stickers because I usually make use of this to title my scrapbook album, whether it's for personal use or for my clients. Stencils are great if you want to have a different designed cardstock. So you use your solid cardstocks like this one. Ta-da! Or like this, or this, also from TCM. And then you just brush through your ink pads over this, on top of this stencil, under these papers. You'll have a new design paper. And you can also use these stencils. So these are the stencils that I also got from that box from TCM. I love this leaf. And these are lace. See, this is how it actually looks like. And then, I'm a fan of stamps, especially Heidi Swapp stamps. So, I got a lot of these Heidi Swapp stamps from TCM for December because, you know, Christmas is every day. So, that's why I got a lot of Christmas stamps. I also have this. I love this. I'm excited to use this stamp for like birthdays or any celebrations, right? And then I have this for journaling. Maybe I'll make journaling cards out of this stamps from, this is the stamp from Everyday Explorer. Okay, then I have this as well. This is the Close to My Heart stamp. So if you want stamps from Close to My Heart, send a message to TCM. There. She can also get a stamp and a die that goes with it. So, whatever it is, just send a message to Shine. I also have this 6x6 Minte neck strip. This is the one that I had a class with Janus Zate by TCM. So, that class was organized by TCM, and I just wanted to have another sheet of this neck strip. Okay, the next one would be most of the ones that I got. Okay, so I have this and this. So let me just share it with you real quick. So I got this Crayola Colors of the World colored pencil. I already got my markers for Ian's class. So this is another Crayola for Ian's class. This is the marker and this is the color pencil. And then I have this Chukineko Versafine Clair, Distress Oxides, Dusty Concord, Fossilized Amber, Barn Door, Mowed Lawn, and Carved Pumpkin. And I also got this stamping foam. So this one, you're gonna use it by hitting it and then pressing it on any shape that you wanted to use as a stamp. So you hit it and then you press it on a shape, and then once the shape is already in here, you can use it as a stamping foam. Isn't it nice? Okay, I'm gonna do another video on that one. Also, here are the different Craftsmart acrylic paint that you can use, that you can get from TCM. She actually curates different sets of paints, so just send her a message so that she can help you which colors are best to purchase as a beginner, or you know, if you just have any questions. Okay, and then the last ones are this. So I have this paper flowers from Michael's, from my craft bag as well. And then this is slimline die cut, this one. And then I have this, I'm excited to use this. This is like an envelope die. Then I have this happy birthday with this die cut. And also this, oh, this has a die cut as well. So this is summer, hello, and this is summer. There you go. And this is one of the freebie from that grab bag, or I think this is a prize that I got. And the last one is this, the 12-month planner. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed browsing through with me on this big bag of crafts. So, oh, before I forget, sorry. She also carries this, not carries, but she will be able to get you cloth from Michael's, fabric rather, cute fabric that you can use to design your notebook or journals, or you know, just cover some of your items, DIY some of your planners, or even your scrapbook album if you wanted to use fabric instead of papers. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for your time. I'll see you again on the next video where I will swatch with you some of the paints, stamps, etc. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. Have a great day.